My intelli vent won't light up after depressing the arrows like directions say. Does the blower fan feed the intelli vent its power?
What's the brand and model of your HVAC unit? How old is it?
BC, the blower was replaced. Power from the breaker was turned off for 20 minutes.
Have you talked to an electrician about your circuit breaker?
Have not talked to an electrician. I'll get make and model.
How long has this been going on with your circuit breaker? What have you tried so far?
GE Smart Water Heater Power Vent. Model #GG40T06VK00 has been here since I bought the house in 2015.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
White Rogers IntelliVent AP13845A.
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do all I can to help you with your issue. First, I'll need some more info so I have a more complete picture of your situation. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. Unplug the cord, wait a minute, then plug it back in. Tell me what happens.
I'm not home, sir. I live in New York, so I can 5 p.m. Eastern works.
I'm usually online until 6 p.m. Eastern. I'll respond as soon as I can.
Sounds good, sir.
Okay.
I unplugged it and waited and plugged back in, and I did not notice anything or hear anything.
Is there a switch on / near the blower on top of the tank?
Yeah, on the blower.
Is it turned on?
Sir.
Then you probably have a bad IntelliVent valve. What the serial number on the tank label?
I triple-checked that the cables from the tank were plugged into the blower underneath.
I need the serial number.
Gallon 1107530207. Manufacturing 2007 with a 6-year limited wareanty.
Okay, the tank is beyond its expected life. Spending several $100s to replace the gas valve when the tank could leak at any time is a bad bet.
Sounds good to me. With the increase in efficiency, how much do you think we could save on our utility bill? Family of 4.
There is no increase in efficiency with a new unit.
Oh, I thought a new tank would do that. Too bad.
Do you have more questions? I'd appreciate a favorable rating. I don't get paid until you rate me favorably. This thread won't go away, and I'll answer questions related to this topic even after you rate me favorably. If you are reading this as a text, please go to your account page or open the email related to this question and click on the link. Thanks.
I got you, sir.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.